Okay, so this week I spent $32.27. I am trying really hard to not spend money because we are kind of running out of money. So this week, where's my grocery list? I'll show you the video, the meals. I'm gonna try to put the right meals with the right grocery haul. So we're gonna have taco soup, chicken with baked potatoes, Dorito taco salad, chicken and rice. And then I won't be fixing this because Matthew's actually will be out of town. So I might not be actually, like, I'll be doing something like just like ramen noodles or something. Alright, so I grabbed 2 little snack boxes. The lettuce for the salads, bread for sandwiches. Excuse me. Some bacon for the baked potatoes. I got taco seasoning for the Dorito taco salad. We got French onion soup. What in the world? This is for the country fried or the cube steak. Black beans. A lunch for Matthew. Sour cream. Taco sauce. Cheese. A lunch for Matthew. Butter. Of course, we're out of butter. We have like no money. All right, Hannah. 2 things of ground beef. Hannah said, well, Hannah wanted pizza for dinner, so I grabbed these for her and Noah to have tonight and maybe another night. We got 2 boxes of rice. I get these and then you can make it a meal. Like I just chop it up and add it into it. So it's just like rice and stuff like that. So I grabbed me a salad for today. They were on sale. And then they had their 18 dozen or 18 eggs for 82 cents, I believe.
No, I need it.
So yeah, so that's our groceries for this week. Tonight we are having, or they were having, lasagna soup. I could not think of it. I just got this off of Pinterest. I've done it a couple times. It's pretty much spaghetti. It was just a soup style spaghetti. I just used a large can of crushed tomatoes. I might add in some diced tomatoes. I have a can of diced tomatoes. I put green peppers, mushrooms. If I had an onion, I would have done that, but I don't have an onion. I have ground turkey and the noodles. I have like Italian seasonings, salt, pepper, tomato paste. I think I might put some crushed or like diced tomatoes in here just a little bit. Yep, but that's our dinner tonight. Alright, here's dinner. This week we have a chicken, not this week, tonight. So it's like a chicken stuffing casserole, I guess. So on the bottom is chicken and it cut up chicken. Then it's like 2 cans of cream of chicken, I think, mixed with milk, and then you mix water or chicken stock with stuffing, and I added green beans underneath the stuffing, and then you bake it for about 45 minutes. I did 30 minutes covered and then 15 minutes uncovered, so that smells really good. The chicken should be cooked. I'm crossing my fingers, but I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes and then we're gonna eat. Dinner they had chicken noodle soup, which I get so annoyed. The noodles always like over expand. So I like when I make another soup that I do with noodles, I always cook the noodles on the side and you can just add them in, but I don't know why I didn't do that. So this is probably gonna be like a waste because the noodles are overdone. But that was tonight's dinner. Breakfast for dinner. So we're having breakfast tacos or whatever you want to call them. So I've got all the meat, cheese, eggs, toppings, tortillas. If you haven't tried it, add like little tater tots. It gives like something crunchy in it, so it's kind of, it's just something different. So we have these and cinnamon rolls. Dinner. Okay, I figured I'd show now. So this is part of our dinner. We're gonna have taco soup. So just trying to find what I have in my cabinet. So we have kidney beans, cannellini beans, corn, ground turkey, salsa, diced tomatoes, taco seasoning.
We have these.
Taco sauce.
And we have these.
And then I might add some of this if I need it. But I was just emptying.
And we have this.
Yes. Oh, corn. I was just emptying stuff out of the fridge. So I'm going to rinse these out so I can get the rest of them out of there. But just trying to use up stuff that we have. But there is the beginning of dinner. Tonight we're having baked chicken with some like chicken seasoning, and then we're having baked potatoes. Well, microwave potatoes, I guess. So I just have all the fixings for potatoes, and we're going to eat. So that was dinner tonight.